Hey guys, welcome back to the Ed's Tech YouTube channel, and today we're doing an unboxing of the Skullcandy Shakedowns. Let's get right into it. Guys, I said I would do more unboxings, so here they are. Here are the things in the back here. Alright, let's just... Looks like these are already half open. I got these at Righties, so they kind of might be a little sketchy. I don't even know. Sorry about that, guys. These are my... I was planning on buying these headphones for like 6 months. Oh. Okay, I'm already liking these. Oh, well, there's a little branding right there, I guess. Two, I think it's like a 2. I don't know. Oh, these... keep in mind, guys, I only paid $25 for these headphones. These are $25 pair of headphones. Oh. Okay, so they don't fold, but they do go flat, they do swivel. But they're a wired pair of headphones, which I don't really mind, but I'm more of a wireless guy myself nowadays because I have no headphone jack. But here you go, guys. Here was the unboxing of the Skullcandy Shakedowns. So guys, if you want to see any more videos on any headphones or these anyway, if you want to see a video furthering these, leave a thumbs up, comment down below. And if you want to see a video of me testing these out, like with my face in it and like sitting down, let me know. Anyway, guys, if that's it for this video, if you guys did enjoy it, please put a thumbs up on the video and leave a comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.